Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to invest in cryptocurrency, and I'm going to use the Crypto.com app as an example. This is because it's available in over 100 countries and 49 states in the US and is one of the most easily accessible crypto exchanges on the market. This is the home screen, and there are several different ways to purchase crypto here. You can simply click on buy under your account balance and search through the categories for you, favorites, top gainers, top losers, new, or most traded. If we scroll down the homepage, we'll see that option again near the bottom. Now click on the market icon to view all coins, which you can filter by large cap, small cap, top performers, worst performers, volume, and alphabetical order, with insights and categories on the top page. Now let's buy some crypto. After you've linked a bank account and deposited some money, click on the crypto of your choice and it will give you the option to purchase it with Google Pay or a bank account. And just a heads up, it will automatically generate a set amount to purchase, so you're always going to want to double check that and manually change it to however much you actually want to spend before confirming. I'm buying about $5 worth, and as you can see, there are fees. However, the fees are pretty minimal and much lower than many other exchanges. 15 cents in fees for $5 really isn't that bad. And just like that, boom, we bought some crypto. To view your holdings afterwards, click on the top left icon and go to Crypto Wallet. This is going to show you all the assets that you own. I hope this video helped, and I wanted to keep it as simple as possible. But if you'd like for me to make a more in-depth video on how Crypto.com works, how to stake your crypto to earn passive income, or how to sell your crypto and cash it out into your bank account, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, save that money.